twist. Normally we use pizza base to make a pizza, but these pizza base are made up of maida and these are really unhealthy. So instead of that, I am going to use dosa batter to make a pizza base. So let's get started. So the ingredients for this pizza are normally those that we require for our original pizza, but only difference is that instead of pizza base I am going to use dosa batter. So this is the dosa batter. Along with that we will need butter. In veggies we need some diced onion. I have chopped it a little bit smaller size than the size which we always get in the ready-made pizza, because children always wants to remove the veggies. So I have cut it into small pieces so that they cannot remove the veggies. In the similar way, I have cut capsicum, green capsicum. You have to remove the seeds of these green capsicum. I have taken tomato. Also, I have chopped it comparatively smaller size, and please remove the seeds. And obviously, we will need lots of mozzarella cheese. It is the shredded mozzarella cheese. If you get the diced, then you have to grate it. Okay, this is already grated mozzarella cheese. I'm going to use Amul pizza mozzarella cheese. And the main ingredients for these pizzas, for the topping of pizza, is pasta mix. This is the pasta mix of Snapping brand. I'm not going to use a normal oregano bottle, because this pasta mix, which is of Snapping brand, this has the exactly same taste that we get it into the Domino's pizza. So please buy these, because without these the pizza will be incomplete. And this is the chili flakes of Snapping brand, and I'm going to give you the link of both these products into the description box. So please check it. And obviously we will need some salt to taste. So let's get started with our pizza with a different twist. So to make a pizza, we will need such type of pan, and it should be along with lid because it is really needed. First, remove the lid. Now start flame, and let's check. Pan is heated. Now apply butter. Yeah, we can apply lots of butter because I'm going to make this pizza for my children. Apply lots of butter so that it should not be stick to the pan, and it should be crunchy from the bottom side, because we are going to make pan pizza like effect. Add our dosa batter. It is normal dosa batter which we always made at home. So this is the normal dosa or idli batter. So for this I have taken 3 cups of rice and 2 cups of urad dal and ferment it, and you will get such type of dosa batter. Okay, so everyone knows that, not needed. Now I'm going to add here near about 4 spoon of this dosa batter, and don't add much batter, because we are not going to turn it from other side. Now don't increase the flame of the gas until you add the veggies. So add some onion, add some capsicum, add some tomatoes, add lots of mozzarella cheese. If you want to add salt, then you can add, but cheese already contains lots of salt, so I think it is not needed. But if you want, you can add salt, or you can sprinkle some salt on that. And please put the lid on this and increase your flame, not much. Now we have to wait for some time till our cheese gets completely melted and our veggies will cook a little bit, so we have to wait. Oh, it's really smell amazing. I think it is done, so let's get check it. Yeah, now how we can identify that this pizza is ready? So check the whether the dosa batter is completely dry, and also check that the pizza cheese is completely melted. Okay, now this pizza is done, so switch off flame and put it into the plate. Oh, that's really amazing. Now the final thing, important thing, is that we have to sprinkle our special oregano. Please remember, you have to use only this, then only you will get the exact taste of the pizza like Domino's pizza. Okay, so I'm going to sprinkle these oregano. Yeah, lots of. And if you want, you can sprinkle some chili flakes also. Our pizza is ready, so you can eat it along with tomato sauce.